What's up, y'all? It's the hotel hooker, your traveling lineman, traveling from one hotel to the next in my hooks. Today we in Frackville, Pennsylvania. We at the Motel 6. This is what we got going on. A couple spots across the street. I told y'all $100 a day per diem, man. Today we got this stay for $63. I want to say $63. It was plus tax, so 63 was it without tax. But you know, like I said, making every day count. So let's see what they got going for us. Walk with me. Hi. Looks like they doing some renovating in here. I would say they need to start with the beds, but who am I? Okay, 50-50 right there. No drawers. At least the fridge is clean. Bags don't gotta hit the floor. AC. This looks wet. This water's still dripping from here, like, you got hair, there's like water all over here. Hair, shampoo, soap. This is a bonus. Got a gnat, fly or something here already, but he's gonna die before I do the night. Can you enjoy your rooms? So you might go listen to the beach, so they'll set that up for the comeback. I don't understand. Did somebody just leave here? It's like 6 o'clock at night. There you go. There you go. Hair, all type of shit. Get all of that. Let's see if we got any living creatures. We won't sleep with no critters. So what I say before, right? I said I got a slogan. If you squint, it's mint. And right now, I got a squint. No judgment.
We're gonna let him off the hook with a 2.1. So you guys let me know. Would you stay here? And just remember, it's only a one-nighter. If you squint, it's mint. Put it in the comments.